In this video, I want to talk about how you can deposit in eToro. Now this works on the mobile app as well as on the website. And what you want to do is you want to head over to eToro, make sure you log into your account and make sure you verify your account, otherwise it's not going to work. So make sure that you go and verify your profile. Once you have been verified, simply press on the deposit funds and this page right here should pop up. Now, once you're in here, you can select your currency, and as you can see, it's gonna change it. So you can see this is my currency, and this will be in the dollars. So you can put in your currency, put in your card number, everything like this. Once you've done this, just press deposit, and the money will be added to your account. Now, like I said here, this card should belong to you and be in your name. So that means that the account name or the name that you put on your account, which should be your full name, should match the one on the card. Now it says here, they only receive deposits in USD. So even if I put it in my local currency, it will be changed to USD and there will be a little conversion rate. So just keep that in mind, but that is basically how it's done. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.